Now we are on part 50 of our digital marketing journey, and let's continue talking about digital marketing for today's video. When conducting keyword research, it's important to remember that for each web page, you should select a primary and secondary keyword. As you enter all your keywords into a spreadsheet, aim to have a variety of different keywords related to the theme, and in this case, bread recipes. Having multiple keywords allows you to focus on a range of terms for each page, rather than relying solely on a single keyword. Diversifying your keyword focus increases your chances of ranking well across multiple search terms, reducing reliance on a single keyword. In order to optimize our web page content effectively, we should choose between both primary and secondary keyword that align with the nature of our business. The primary keyword should be highly relevant to our business, while the secondary keyword can be closely related. By selecting multiple keywords, we can increase our chances of ranking well on Google. For instance, if we have a blog focused on ice cream recipes, our primary focus could be ice cream recipes or homemade ice cream recipes. We should always assess the search volume and competition for these keywords. Additionally, we can incorporate complementary keywords such as low-fat ice cream recipes, fat-free ice cream recipes, or low-fat homemade ice cream recipes. This approach of targeting multiple keywords applies similarly to the example of bread recipes and banana bread recipe. When conducting keyword research, it's important to target multiple keywords per content piece. Instead of solely focusing on one keyword, we should cluster keywords within a content theme. By analyzing the search volume, competition, and KEI or Keyword Effectiveness Index, we can select different keywords for each page. This clustering approach allows us to diversify our keyword targeting rather than relying on a single keyword. By targeting multiple keywords and clustering them effectively, we enhance our opportunity to achieve a high ranking on Google search results. This strategy avoids putting all our efforts into one keyword and broadens our chances of success. The main objective of ranking high in Google search is to capture a significant volume of traffic associated with specific keywords. Achieving the top position for keywords like bread recipes or banana bread recipe allows us to attract a large portion of that search volume, which can ultimately lead to conversions. To attain this, it is crucial to focus on creating high-quality content that has a positive impact on our website ranking. Suppose we have content related to ice cream recipes on our website, but it currently ranks on page 4 of Google. If the content lacks informative value and fails to engage readers, it won't receive favorable consideration from Google. The search engine prioritizes content that is informative, fresh, exciting, and interesting to read. Without engaging content, user interaction and engagement will be low, resulting in high bounce rates where visitors quickly leave the website after landing on the page. This will cause the content's ranking to decline over time. To prevent this decline and move up in the rankings, it is crucial to prioritize high-quality content. If the content is currently buried on page 9 of search results, there are steps we can take to improve its performance. We should actively work on optimizing the content, making it more engaging and informative. This may involve revising the content, enhancing its value, and ensuring that it resonates with the target audience. By consistently creating engaging and informative content, we increase the chances of ranking number 1 on Google. It's important to continuously improve the quality of our content to maintain and improve our ranking position rather than allowing it to fall down the rankings. The quality and relevance of our content play a significant role in driving our website success and achieving the desired top ranking position on Google search results. Sharing content on social media platforms can be highly beneficial as it allows us to reach a community of users who are already interested in our content. Platforms like Facebook enable us to build a community around our content, particularly when we engage with our audience. By sharing engaging ice cream recipes during the summer and actively interacting with our community on social media, we increase the chances of generating higher engagement. This engagement in turn sends positive social signals to search engines, indicating that our content is of good quality. Most social media platforms have engagement metrics that measure how users interact with content. These metrics serve as signals for search engines to determine the quality and popularity of the content. When we share engaging content on social media platforms, it is more likely to receive positive engagement such as likes, follows, and shares. This increased management can lead to a reduction in bounce rates and contribute to the content's upward movement in search engine rankings. Ultimately, sharing high-quality content and promoting engagement through social media can significantly improve the likelihood of achieving a higher ranking, potentially reaching the coveted number 1 position on Google. Creating good quality content is a fundamental aspect that Google takes seriously. The search engine takes into account the opinions and interactions of users with the content. Therefore, it is crucial to understand how to create such content. Now let's delve into some best practices when it comes to creating content that fulfills users' requirements. As we discussed earlier, conducting thorough keyword research is essential. This research allows us to select the right keywords for our content. Remember, we aim to choose multiple keywords per page, including keywords related to our brand, the content itself, and the keywords that align with the user's intent. For instance, if we consider the example of bread recipes, users may search for specific types of bread recipes or seek answers to questions like how to make bread or the best recipe for banana bread. By understanding and incorporating these user intents, we can provide relevant and valuable answers. In addition to keyword research, there are various tools available to assist with the research process. For instance, one such tool is Phrase.io, which enables quick research on keywords and trends. And if you have any insights or recommendations regarding research tools for keyword research, feel free to share them in the comments section. We value your perspective and would love to hear about any tools you find more effective than Phrase.io. Remember, while keyword research is crucial, it is equally important to create content that meet users' requirements and answers their questions. In the case of recipes, we aim to provide comprehensive answers and guidance, ensuring that users can easily follow the recipe and achieve the desired outcome. By combining effective keyword research with content that fulfills users' needs, we can optimize our content for better visibility and engagement. When it comes to content creation, our primary goal is to fulfill users' requirements rather than merely filling a page. We want to ensure that our content provides valuable answers and solutions to users' queries. Whether it's providing directions or addressing specific questions, our content should aim to answer them comprehensively. Good engagement is achieved when users find our content informative and useful in meeting their needs. In addition to meeting users' requirements, it's important to make the content easily readable and accessible. Writing for the intended audience is crucial, so we should avoid using complicated vocabulary or jargon that might alienate or confuse readers. Instead, using everyday language that is easily understood ensures that our content is readily digestible. Maintaining organization within the content is another key aspect. This can be achieved by utilizing headers, subheaders, and breaking the content into paragraphs. An organized flow enhances readability and makes it easier for readers to follow along. Incorporating credible resources into the content further adds to its credibility. By referencing reputable resources, we demonstrate that we have conducted thorough research and offer valuable insights. It's important to adhere to white hat techniques when creating content. This means avoiding keyword stuffing, where keywords are excessively and unnaturally inserted into the content. Instead, the content should be naturally written, focusing on providing valuable information rather than overemphasizing keywords. When creating content, it is crucial to focus on fulfilling users' requirements, using language that is easily understood, maintaining organization, incorporating credible resources, and following ethical white hat techniques. By following these tips, we can create high-quality content that not only engages readers, but also ranks well in search engine results. When we talk about opting for white hat techniques, it means writing content naturally, maintaining organization and readability, incorporating third-party sources, and ensuring that it addresses a specific question or topic. There are various types of content, including text-based articles and other visual formats like infographics, videos, and images. Creating high-quality content that fulfills users' needs is crucial for higher search engine rankings. Targeting multiple keywords and diversifying keyword focus improves the chances of ranking well across different search terms. Engaging content and social media sharing generate positive signals for search engines. Thorough keyword research, user intent understanding, and utilizing tools aid in creating optimized content. Readability, organization and credibility, and ethical practices should also be maintained. And lastly, By following these practices, we can create valuable content that ranks well and resonates with our audience. And that ends a part of our discussion about digital marketing. I hope you learned something from today's video. If you like it, please subscribe and click the like button. Also, turn on the notification bell to be notified of future videos like this. Have a great day ahead and stay tuned for part 51.